Stocks on the deep. We have LMFA, PPCB, AGH, SNGX, VTAK, IVF, CUPR, and PROP. So we'll begin with LMFA, down 44.28%, intraday low of this session, $1.28. The company raised $23 million to bolster its Bitcoin strategy and mining operations. Let's see what we have. We have upper projection of 1.95. The weakness is expected to keep playing out until maybe Thursday the 21st, when we may get a bounce. This is based on this on its 4-hour chart. Let's see whether we have even higher projections. We have 2.24, 2.38, even 4.85, $6, 6.70. Selling pressure is amplified. Yeah, but we have positive, some positive derivatives indicating that it has some support, or the weakness is losing steam. The weakness is losing steam. You may not be able to sustain it in the very short term. Yeah, maybe that's why we have a bounce imminent. Okay, let's quickly move to PPCB. Yesterday it spiked, so I think this is a case of the usual pullback that follows every spike, and the stock hasn't been around long enough. Yeah, let's see. It already has an upper projection here. Yeah, it has an upper projection, but it's not that clear. Is that an upper projection or a moving average? It's not an upper projection. Let's see what we have. Let's see, 10-minute chart. We have 4.87, 4.77, 4.61. We also have four. I mean, we have 5.32, 5.58, 5.73, and down projections 3.49, upper projection 3.74, 4.13. So it's a new stock. You have to be careful with it. We have to be you have to be careful with it. Okay, let's see what we have next. It's AGH. AGH down 24.27%. Okay, let's see. Previous close. Okay, no, yeah, we don't have any news there. Okay, down 24.27%. On Tuesday last week, it printed an intraday high of $4.89. Okay, so it couldn't get to. This is 5.16. Yeah, that's an upper projection. So it has upper projection 5.16, 6.27, 6.95. Downward projections 2.82. Selling pressure is yeah. The 10 and 21 period moving averages on this 4-hour chart are severely bearish. However, the second derivatives are robustly bullish, indicating that we may get a bounce, and the stock has actually gotten a bounce. So, based on how things are now, maybe the weakness is not expected to keep playing out. So we might get a bounce. Let's see what we have on the 2-hour chart, whether we have any extrapolations. Yeah. So the extrapolation here, yes, it's saying yes, it is actually confirming that a bounce is imminent by the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 20th. It would have there's a good chance it would have bounced. Here we have 5.15, 5.83, 6.25. Okay, let's look at the next. The next is SNGX. SNGX down 27.33. Okay, despite the drop, the company recently received FDA of an drug designation for its treatment of Behçet's disease, which may provide a long-term growth potential. Intraday high yesterday, 6.21. So I think this is a case of just a pullback after a spike. Yeah. So a mini bounce is expected to play out and remain in place up till tomorrow's trading session. After that, if you like, the distributive contraction may remain in place, may kick in. He has, let's see, upper projections 4.89, 5.87, 6.47. Let's see what we have. Yeah, even with this weakness, the only thing negative here is it's the second derivative of its 21 period moving average. So it's the stock ran up an immense amount of strength. Let's see, yesterday you can see that. Look, just when I move my cursor, have a look at these values. You can see how high they are. So you can see the price pressure momentum one is at 105.3 to 1, infinitely strong, really strong. And for even then, the derivatives were negative, but this one has now come positive, even with this weakness we're looking at right now. So yeah, it ran up a cushion. It ran up a cushion of support. So that's what it's resting on right now, and that's probably why the algos are printing a bounce, extrapolating that a bounce may occur. So projections 4.89, 5.87, 6.47. Okay, so let's have a look at the next VTAK. Let's see. Down 25.29%. Yesterday intraday high 5.28. I think yeah, okay, the stock is down okay from the previous close. The company recently registered its medical device locket, which could influence future stock performance. VTAK, I think it's going to be that as well. VTAK. Yeah, I think it is. Yes, it is. So here, the extrapolation is saying that it's going to consolidate the expansion that happened yesterday up till Thursday the 28th. Let's have a look and see if we have what the price pressure momentum is indicating here. Okay, they have only the price pressure momentum of its 10 period moving average that is holding up. All the other ones have decayed seriously. Yeah, it's indicating that there's a good chance further weakness may continue to play out, or maybe they may continue may go on to improve, either one of those. So projections are saying 3.09 to downward projection, 3.32 upper projection, 3.46 upper projection. Previous projections we have $3.674, 4.20. There are indeed downward projections 1.84, 2.07, 2.44. Okay, let's see what we have next. IVF. IVF is down 21.99. Is it let's see. Yeah, intraday low 1.08. 1.08. Yeah, down 21.99%. It's been showing a lot of weakness since the 13th of August. Yeah, since the 14th of August. Yeah, it has been printing lower prices since then. and it's extrapolated to remain in place up till tomorrow's pre-market session, when a mini bounce may occur. But all in all, what is expected is consolidation to play out from tomorrow the 20th. Projections to the upside, we have 1.3 currently in play, 1.4, 1.57 previously. Um, Down projections 1.02, upper projections 1.17, 1.43, 2.16, 2.35, 2.47. 2.47, 2.66, 2.85, 3.75, 4.56, 5.06. Okay, yeah. Selling pressure is it has to be severely bearish, yes. Nothing positive at all. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have next. We have CUPR. CUPR. CUPR down 23.08%. Let's see. Cuprina recently, okay, the company completed a lab capable of supplying chronic wound therapy across the MENA region, and secured an exclusive license to market medicinal leeches in the GCC countries. Yeah, down to the 3.83%. Let's see, CUPR. Okay, so no extrapolations here. Upper projections, we have very ambitious projections: 32.83, 30.82, 42.27, 49.34. It's unbelievable, and nothing to the downside. No down projections. I think they may have had a rock pool yesterday. It seems on Friday. Had a rock pool on Friday, and you can see, as usual, the weakness has continued to play out. Yeah, no wonder we have these upper projections. Okay, just be really careful with this one. Severely bearish. Yeah, I can see. Look at that. Severely bearish price pressure momentums. Don't even touch the stock. Don't even touch. Don't even touch. Okay, let's see what we have next. We have PROP. Intraday low 2.15, down 20%. Okay, bounce is expected to play out and remain in place up till Friday the 22nd, and then after that, the downtrend, the downtrend may resume. The projections say has downward projections at currently 0.6881, $1, 1.51. Let's see what we have: 2.3, 2.34, 3.24 per projection currently, 3.03, 3.27, 3.41, 3.63, 3.82, 3.95, 3.35, 3.42. Let's see what we have here: 4.18, 4.35, 4.50. Yeah. Selling pressure is, yeah, the stock has been showing a lot of weakness since Monday, the 11th of August. I can imagine that selling pressure is, yeah, very high. Nothing, no foundation yet, no support yet. So have a look at these stocks. But CUPR, be very careful with this one. CUPR. Let's have a look at it again. Yeah, so you can see plunged from they did a raw pull on it. That's 8.0. That's 8.02, and it's currently at 0.85 right now. Or at some point it printed 0.85. This was on Thursday that yeah, it was decimated. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.